with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed you a photograph, some old gray bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. So finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked where you found on such a cold, dark afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll be walking through with the rain in my shoes.